Hi, my loves. Today we're going to talk about 5 practices that you can start today that are simple and do every single day for 30 days that will completely take you out of a fear-based and a mindset of lack and solidify a mindset of abundance and trust. My name is Lindsay. Thank you so much for watching and for being here with me, reprogramming with me, self-developing with me. I'm an entrepreneur. I am in love with self-development, spirituality, self-improvement, and reprogramming, changing your life, creating the reality for yourself that you've always desired. If you need anything from me, it's going to be in my About section. I have an incredible course that changed my life personally there that I recommend. If you are interested in passive income, starting your online business, you can go faceless. It's completely for beginners. I learned more there than I ever did in my college classes. And anything else as far as self-development and self-improvement goes, you're gonna find in my videos. There's also a book I recommend that is full of light codes if you are looking to upgrade spiritually. But with that said, let's get started with the first practice. So the first practice is going to be a quick 5-minute visualization meditation technique. Now, I know we talk about visualization a lot, but stick with me here. It's fun and you might be missing a key ingredient. So for 5 minutes, you are going to immerse yourself in whatever you want. Think about what you want. Is it a house? Is it a car? Is it a vacation? Is it a relationship? And for 5 minutes, you're going to quiet your mind and you are going to immerse yourself. I mean, taste it, hear it, feel it, see it. I mean, make it so vivid and so detailed. But here's what you might be missing and what I was missing for a long time. What you're also going to do is completely immerse yourself in the emotion of gratitude as you are visualizing this completely vivid creation and this rocket that you are shooting out and feeling and seeing and tasting and hearing. Make sure that you are just completely surrounded and immersed and with your whole heart feeling just deep gratitude. Gratitude is the gateway, and I'm talking 5 minutes a day for 30 days, and it's just a completely different mindset. Let's move on to the second one. The second thing that we are going to do every day is target our belief systems. Everything is a belief, and our manifestations require old belief systems getting broken down, shed, so that new ones can be put in their place and ones that actually fuel our manifestations and get those rockets off the ground. So what you're going to do is write down something that you want, something that you see for yourself. You're going to write down a manifestation. Write down something like, I am so grateful to make $30,000 a month with ease, doing exactly what I love and working only 5 minutes a day. Maybe you have a belief system where you can tell that in order for you to feel worthy of your money or feel like you've earned it, that you have to work long and hard, and this is a belief system that you want to target. So you're going to write this manifestation down, and on the line underneath it, you are going to write down why you believe you deserve this manifestation, and it can be anything. I mean, you can write down, because I am the universe's favorite. It does not have to make sense. What matters is that you are targeting that belief system every single day. And by the end of 30 days, you have 30 whole new reasons why you believe that you deserve this manifestation. Number 3 is going to be affirmations. I know, affirmations, but seriously, affirmations, my guy. So I want you to get over any weirdness that you might have about speaking to yourself in the mirror out loud, even looking in your eyes, because mirror work works. So I wrote out 5 perfect affirmations. That way that you can just use these. You can repeat after me. I'm going to pause them after I read them out loud so you can say them with with me if you want. If these don't work for you, please take a minute and come up with your own 5 affirmations to do when you wake up in the morning. Looking at yourself in the mirror and even before bed is really powerful too. So the ones that I wrote out are a combination of the I's, because you do want to branch out and try not to just stick to I ams. All right, so here we go. Number 1, I feel playful, grateful, and excited. I do things daily that contribute to my growth and happiness. I am so grateful to be financially free. I love the universe's favor over my life. And lastly, I am confident in my mind's ability to filter in energies and experiences that are for my highest good only. All right. I hope you like those. Again, if not, go ahead and just come up with your own, but these are a great way to start. So let's move on to number 4. For number 4, we're going to do some work on our nervous system, because I believe that our nervous system is directly related to the amount of success that we can hold. And so we definitely don't want to skip that when we are doing mindset training. So we're going to do a little EFT tapping, or emotional freedom tapping. And what this is going to do is stimulate the vagus nerve, the parasympathetic nervous system. And what this does is get you out of fight or flight. And it is so easy. You can do it every single day when you start to feel a little wobbly. So let's go ahead and do it. It's going to be some light face tapping along with some deep breathing. So I'm going to demonstrate, and then you can come back to this and you'll have it down immediately, and just do it as many times as you need to throughout the day. Okay? Easy, right? All right, let's move on. Last but not least, you are going to set the intention every day for 30 days that you are not, for that day, and do it every single day for 30 days, that you are not going to let a single thought escape your awareness. We know that our subconscious is what creates our reality and is what controls 95% of our actions. We also know that our subconscious doesn't know the difference between your thoughts and actual things. So becoming more aware of our thoughts and mastering our mind is a huge key. So what you're going to do, set that intention, become hyper aware every single day of your thoughts, because you'll begin to notice, for instance, if you have a thought that's like, I feel insecure right now, and within seconds it only exacerbates that feeling even more, right? And so when you become aware, now you can choose your truth. You can choose what thoughts to trust. You can choose your story. You can choose to replace that thought with something that makes you feel good and is deserving of your energy, right? So, and particularly before bed. So this is really, really important. 5 minutes before bed, you have the choice to either review everything that you didn't like about the day, which is only going to set you up for the next day's events and is going to train your reticular activating system to just keep filtering in those energies and experiences that are not good for you, that don't help you. Whereas that 5 minutes before bed is actually the most precious time of your whole day in terms of reprogramming goes. And instead, you can fill that with, I am well, healthy, wealthy, I'm excited, I'm grateful, I'm playful, there's just, again, 5 minutes, you can just fill that with so many good things for your mind, for your thoughts, to set you up for the next day's activities. And by the end of 30 days, I promise you, this energy will be so much more solidified. You will have far fewer days where you just have to constantly saturate your mind with the new energy. It'll be a lot easier to correct yourself, and you'll just, everything just gets better. We're talking real magic here, people. Master your mind, unlock your magic. Okay, so I hope all this was super helpful. I love you so much. Again, I'm Lindsay. If you stuck it out this far with me, I appreciate you. Thank you for working on yourself. You have no idea what that does for the whole world. And I will see you in the next one.